Hello and welcome, traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's pre-market analysis, we are breaking down the key levels for the Nifty tomorrow, so you can start your trading day with a clear plan. As you can see on my screen, this is the chart we'll be analyzing. The Nifty closed today at 25,705.55, up by about 120 points. But the real story isn't the close, it's the battle between the bulls and the bears that's setting up for tomorrow's session. We have a very clear and critical range defined by strong support and resistance lines. Let's first talk about the resistance. The chart shows a very clear and strong resistance zone between 25,800 and 25,900. Notice how the price has respected this level multiple times. For the bulls to take control tomorrow, they need to decisively break and close above 25,800. If that happens, we can expect a rally towards the next psychological level of 26,000. However, a failure to cross 25,800 could lead to a rejection and a move. Now, let's talk about the most critical part, support. The immediate and strongest support lies right at 25,600. This is a make or break level. As long as Nifty holds above 25,600, the overall short-term bias remains positive, and we can look for buying opportunities on dips. However, a break below 25,600 is a major red flag. It would signal that the bears are gaining strength and could trigger a sharper correction towards 25,500 and even 25,400. So, to summarize the Nifty range, resistance, 25,800, 25,900 key support, 25,600 current price, 25,705.55, which is almost right in the middle of this range. This means the market is at a decision point. The opening bell will be crucial. Bank Nifty or sectoral outlook now. No Nifty analysis is complete without looking at the heavyweight Bank Nifty. You can see it listed here on the chart. Bank Nifty often leads the direction for the Nifty. So, tomorrow, keep a very close eye on Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty is strong and bullish, it will help Nifty push through that 25,800 resistance. If Bank Nifty is weak, it will add selling pressure on the Nifty, making the 25,600 support level even more critical. Strategy or plan for tomorrow. So, what's the game plan for tomorrow? Scenario 1, bullish. If Nifty opens flat or positive and holds above 25,700, look for a move towards 25,800. A strong break above 25,800 with high volume can be a buying opportunity for targets of 25,900 and 26,000. Scenario 2, bearish. If Nifty opens weak and breaks below 25,600, it's a sign of weakness. Then, one can look for shorting opportunities for a move down towards 25,500 and 25,400. Scenario 3, ranging. The market could also consolidate between 25,600 and 25,800. In that case, traders can adopt a buy near support, sell near resistance strategy. The key is to wait for the confirmation of the breakout or breakdown. Don't jump in too early. Conclusion. To wrap it up, traders, the zones are defined. The battle lines are drawn. The key levels to watch at the open are 25,600 on the downside and 25,800 on the upside. Your job is to be patient, wait for the price to show its hand, and then trade in the direction of the breakout. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please do us a huge favor by smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss our daily pre-market updates. Let us know in the comments below. What's your take? Do you think Nifty will break 25,800 or break below 25,600 tomorrow?